This will be lesson 18 of our Spring Boot Thymeleaf tutorials, and we are going to be writing the addNew method. So the method that will take a student object, assigned to it, and then it's going to add it into the repository. So again, we start by writing it in the student service. We follow the same method. Oh, sorry, what is happening here? All right, so we are going to go to public. When you add an item, do you return something? I don't think so. So public void addNew, public void addNew, and we call it, we give a student object to add. Okay, so we have a student given to it as a parameter, and it's going to save it. So simply say student repository. So the function to add new is simply to save. So student repository dot save. That's all. So specify what you want to save. Save the student. So that's what you do here. So now in the controller, we are now going to also write. We're also going to write. So yeah, there is a controller. So we are going to write also. Let me shift this now. So we are going to also write the method addNew in the controller. So public addNew is going to return a string, because it's going to also return the list, the same page. So the same page returned by getAll, addNew is going to return the same page. So it's going to addNew, insert the data to the database, and refresh the page for us by reposting or posting back the page. So I'm going to say public string addNew, and it's going to take student. So now let me just make some room here. So we are going to say student service dot add new, and it takes this student object. Okay, I hope it's clear. So it adds new, and then it's going to return the same page, but this time it's going to redirect to the /students page. So I'm going to say to return redirect to /student redirect. I think it goes this way, /students. Yeah, so /getAll. So it's going to return a redirect to this same page. So the URL for this is going to be request mapping of /addNew, and this time we are going to specify a method, right? So okay, so we can say method equal to post. So we can say something like this. Okay, so but it's better we simply use post mapping adds this method for us. So instead of using request mapping and saying method is equal to post, let's just use post mapping. So remember, post simply means post an item, create new object in the database or in the repository, you use post. Okay, so Control-Shift-O is going to remove this error. So what are we forgetting? addNew, that is fine. Post mapping value is equal to addNew. You can leave it value is equal to addNew, or you can just leave it as addNew. And so far so good. There is no spaces in the redirect statement, so keep that in mind. All right, so we've written the addNew method. Now we are going to the interface now in tutorial 19 to add a button to display a new form that we are going to use to add a new item. So we continue in tutorial 19.